Hello, my name is Mittal Patel and this is my demonstration for Assessment 3. In this project, I developed a mobile based theater seat booking prototype using Kotlin for the application logic and Endo Studio as the development environment. The user interface was designed using XML layouts to reflect a realistic theater system sitting experience. In the system requirement section, I defined functional requirements like seat selection and booking as well as non-functional ones such as usability and responsiveness. The system modeling section presents the theater seat booking prototype. Various UML diagrams are used to describe the structure and behavior of the system. The use case diagram highlights the user interactions while the activity diagram highlights the seat booking process and the assistant seat validation. Sequence diagram details how the system responds to the user actions step by step. Here I have defined three sequence diagram. First is for normal seat selection and validation. Second is for admin overrides and rules. And third is for booking gets confirmed. After that, I have created class diagram that shows the object oriented structure of the application. And a flowchart summarizes the set selection logic in a simplified visual form. Together, these models provides a clear understanding of both the system design and functionality. Let's see how this prototype works in the application. Here, the sitting arrangement is divided into three parts: left, middle, and right. And the seats are categorized as premium, executive, and regular and disability seats. Seat that is sold will be marked as a solid square box and the seat that is broken will be marked as a cross marks. Here the user can select maximum up to 10 seats. So after the 10 seats selected, plus button will be disabled. So user cannot select more than 10 seats per booking. Let's try to book one seat and let's see how the scattered rule is working in this algorithm. Here I am selecting H2 seats, middle of the left part and try to book the ticket. See, it is showing that the H1 and H3 would be left alone. Please choose seat that doesn't isolate any single seats. So it will not allow to book the seat which is in the rule of isolated. Okay, so now I am selecting H4 and try to book the seat. You can also see that the is changing according to the seat type. Okay, let's book the ticket and confirming the ticket. Okay, so seat is booked and you can see that the seat that was selected is marked as a sold now. Now let's see seat booking process for the assistant seat which is located in the side of the disability seat. If I select the assistant seat, then it is showing a warning that only the assistant with the disabled people can book these seats. Here, the seat number B10 is the disability seats. Now, if I click add seat, then it is automatically paired with the disability seats. It means that the people who try to book the assistant seats also needs to buy the seat for the disabled people. Now let's try to book the seats. See, it is showing a confirm booking and confirming here and the seats are booked. Now let's check the booking process for the admin. Here I have added switch button for the admin. If the user enable the switch, then it will ask for the passcode to check if the user is admin or not. And let me enter the valid passcode. And if I confirming it, and then it will check if the passcode is valid. If the passcode is valid, then and then only admin mode will be enabled. Now admin can book any seat even if the seat is isolated. Now here I'm selecting the middle seat of the D section and confirming. See, it is bypassing all the rules and showing the booking confirmation dialog. Here I am booking and the seat is booked. Now let me show you how the coding parts that I have done. Here I have created different types of packages to differentiate the classes. For the base classes that is commonly used for the whole project, I have defined in the base classes package. UI is the package where the UI classes is located, and the utility class are those class which can be used all over the project. In the Android applications, I have followed a MVVM architecture pattern in which view model contains all the business logic and the activity parts contain the any interactions with the view. So the business logic is separated so it can be easily integrated with the unit test case. So my main logic is added into the book view model, and I can access these all functions into the unit test cases. So here you can see I have defined all the test cases. In summary, this prototype demonstrates how real world seat booking logic can be built and validated through a structured rules based approach. Working on this project helped me apply object oriented programming to a functional use case and strengthen my understanding of clean code practices, testing strategies, and system modeling. This module, Advanced Topics in Software Engineering, has been incredibly valuable. It taught me not just the technical tools but also how these concepts translate into real industry practices. I feel much more confident about applying what I have learned here in a professional environment, and I am genuinely excited to continue building and improving systems like this in the future. Thank you.